Hi guys, welcome to my page. For long videos, you can visit my YouTube channel, Happiness with Hema. This reel is from my Instagram page and Hema the 12. My special initiative to promote sustainability. And I'm taking a great pleasure of introducing small business owner, woman entrepreneur who is taking this great initiative of upscaling the products and is very passionate about what she's doing. So friends, normally होता ये है कि we have lot of collection of good, expensive, pretty looking bottles और हमें किसी ना किसी reason से because we cannot store all, we have to get rid of them and we have to throw them out to create some space in house. I know that's the most sad part, but अब ऐसा नहीं. Because I recently discovered this awesome artist who can convert anything into a beautiful piece. So look at this, how gorgeous it is. And that's called upscale the product. By the way, this was my favorite empty bottle which I was badly wanting to use. Isn't it pretty? I really can't thank enough to this beautiful artist who have created this. And friends, if you want to create something like that for you, all you have to do is hand over a few beautiful pictures, any of your empty favorite bottle. Like for my piece, I have given my personal bottle, but if you don't have any of the bottle, artist who's a small business owner, she is not going to disappoint you and going to create beautiful vintage customized decor item for you. Phone number of the artist which is flashing down, you can always contact her. I really like this initiative and I'm promoting this because this can be a very good gift idea. आप अपने parents को, आप अपने brother को, आप अपने family को ये बहुत अच्छा सा एक gift दे सकते हैं just to make something like this. So I'm sure you have plenty of bottles which are so expensive and you don't want to waste them. So if you want to recycle, reuse, upscale, you can contact this artist. She can create and convert those material which are precious to you and has some emotion attached and you don't want to let it waste, or you are somebody like me who want to initiate this upscaling initiative and sustainability. So don't wait and place your order today. Well, like and subscribe my channel, follow for more such interesting videos. Thank you for watching. Good day.